I've been hanging, singing, trying to do my thing. Oh, you heard that I was banging. Your old girl you went to school with, that's cool, but did she tell you about her sister and your cousin thought I wasn't? Weekend was made for Piccolo, but it's a Monday, my day. So just
what up, bitches?
we can keep it on the down low, long as you know that
I get around. Look at this.
Wait, get a fucking view of the hole in the fucking ceiling up here.
Yeah, I'm gonna definitely grab that. That is cool. Look at that.
The fuck, this is amazing, dude. What the fuck? I fucking love you fuckers. Thank you for helping me do this.
Absolutely, man.
My phone just died.
Well, we'll all have to trade info because we'll just share all the video and stuff.
Just upload it on like Flickr or something.
Yeah.
Wait, let's take it in and enjoy the echo of the hip hop.
Okay. I'm gonna stop videoing.